Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to compare the three AI models, that is Llama 3.3 70 billion parameters. The other one is GPT-4, and the last one is Mixtral's 8x 7 billion parameters, that is of Mistral. Okay, so we are going to use this Chat Labs blog of evaluate AI and LLM performance with effective test prompts. So we are going to take out some of their questions for evaluating the AI models. Okay, so firstly we will see the comparison of GPT-4 and Llama 3.3. As you can see, they both have the evaluation scores closely related to each other. Like they have the MMLU of 86.4 and 86%. GPT-4 has 86.4% and Llama 3.3 has 86% of MMLU. Okay, and they have human evaluation scores also close by, and math evaluation scores it is not available here. Okay, and Llama 3.3 has very much low cost as compared to GPT-4. So we are going to try it, and we will also try Mistral 8x7B. However, it is not so close to Llama 3.3 or the GPT models, but we will test it somehow and see what results we'll get. Okay, so the first test prompt that we have is continue the following story once upon a time, and we will test it in both GPT-4 and we will test it here. I have tested it here. So what response we have got? Once upon a time in a land far away there was a magical forest where every creature had a unique ability. The trees whispered ancient secrets to those who listened closely, and the streams carried stories of the past. So you can see in this forest lived a young fox named Faye, and it has given me a quite good story. Let's test it here in Grok Cloud. I'm using Grok Cloud for Llama 3.3 70 billion parameters, and we'll just test it and see whose response is better. Okay, so I'm a little biased towards Llama 3.3 as due to the prices it have. Okay, so forgive me for that if I am leaning towards Llama 3.3 rather than GPT-4. Okay, so once upon a time in a land far away, there was a magical forest where every creature has a unique ability that trees could whisper. You can see it is also some good response, but here, to be honest, GPT-4 looks quite a good candidate for giving this story. Okay, so we are not going to read it fully. You can read it for yourself and decide whichever is better. Okay, and if we are going to test it in Mixtral, then let's see what type of response we will get. Okay, let's try it in Mixtral. And the one thing good is about Grok is it is the fastest giving fastest and it has a very low latency and very fast response if you will test any models or something like that. Okay, so what we have got is quite a short story, but I'm liking it also. Among these extraordinary creatures lived a small and unassuming all named Luna. She had the unique ability to listen to the whispers of the wind. So we will not get how much code it is in these big prompts. So let's try it with a smaller prompt like this one. Calculate 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 4, 5, 6, and we will ask it to be concise and clear. Okay, be concise and clear. Okay, it's a simple prompt, so we'll not expect much from that. Just it will give a real quick answer. We'll just testing the speed and performance. So it is 56,088. That is correct answer, and we'll just test it here how much it is fast and how much concise and clear it is. Okay, so Mistral is giving me the wrong answer. I also don't know. I just guessed it. So we'll calculate it from our calculator using calculator. Okay, and we'll just see what response we will get from Llama 3.3 70 billion model. So we'll just test it here also. 55,888. Let's see, 123 multiplied 456, and GPT-4 and Llama 3.1 has given me the correct answer as it is 56,088. I can show you here. Okay, no, it is not 3,123 multiplied by 456. Forgive me for that. 1, 2, 3 into 4, 5, 6. So it is 56,088. And Llama 3.3 has given us the correct answer for that. Let's do some even better prompts for that. And let's give it a big hassle also. I have some other questions also in this doc that I have prepared, and we will just go for it. Okay, write a news article. We will test it for bias and ethical considerations. Okay, write a news article about a controversial event ensuring neutrality in the tone. Okay, let's test it for here. Let's look how it will make a controversial event news article. Okay, and we'll also see it in the cloud, Grok Cloud. Let's see how response it is giving. Controversy surrounds new urban projects development project in downtown city. The development will bring new opportunities to this part of the city, says Mayor Linda Harris, and who has been a vocal supporter of the project. I think it is quite neutral in the tone, and I will prefer this. And let's see how it is coming here in Llama 3.3, if it is able to give me. Okay, protest erupts over new development project. Contentious development project has sparked widespread protest in the city, with demonstrators voicing concern on the local environment and community. We understand that there are valid concerns on both sides of issues, like the spokesperson. Okay, so this is also quite equal to what GPT-4 has given. Okay, so we will try and having some more complex questions, like let's see this one. Create a simple HTML web page with a greeting, and we'll test it, which is giving us a better uh, HTML page. Okay, I'll not test it by running it in the VS Code, but let's see who is giving me the correct answer and with a better. You can also show some creativity by finding out good UI without adding custom libraries. Okay, so I've given it the prompt page, and you can also use your creativity here. So let's see what it has given, and it has the greeting container and the greeting message, the button it has, and the button hover, and a simple div. Okay, and let's see what GPT-4 will give us, and let's copy the prompt from here. Okay, just give me a sec. Let's try it. Create a simple HTML web page with a greeting message and a background color of your choice. You can also show some creativity. Here is a simple HTML web page with a greeting. Okay, so here is the body tag that I'm getting, and here is the container, and here is the button over. So as you can clearly see, GPT-4 has surpassed it in the HTML and coding evaluation, because in coding evaluations, I think we have seen that the Llama 3.3 is not as good as GPT-4 in the code part, and GPT-4 has given me a quite a good HTML page. Okay, so GPT-4 is winning here by 2 points. Okay, and let's try this once in. Oh, why the hell are you going? Okay, so let's try it in Mixtral also. Okay, so let me just copy it fully here, and where is Mixtral? Here it we go. Let's see how the code will Mixtral give it to us, because the costing is also very less compared to the GPT-4 model. And if it is just working fine, then we can use it. It has given me a body tag, and it has given me the style of the container and the H1 and P tag. Okay, so it is very basic. Uh, it will go and like the hierarchy based. Like GPT-4 will come on the top, then Llama 3.3, and then the Mixtral will come. Okay, but we can use Mixtral for very basic things. Like I can show you. If we can just put a simple prompt here. I have been using Mixtral and Llama 3.3 for generating some curriculum based questions, curriculum based topics. Like if we will see that you are right on entire system message for me. You are a tutor, and you have to scrape some data from web movie and get some curriculum of CBSE class 9th syllabus, and give me a list of the chapters that we have in that list. Okay, so what I've done here, I have said that you are a tutor and you have to scrape some data from the web for me and get some curriculum of CBSE class 9 syllabus and get me the list of chapters that we have in that list. Okay, so I'm just asking it for get me the list of all the chapters of maths last night, because the CBSE, I know it can't scrape the live data from the web as much as Gemini and other models, but what it have the knowledge for almost September 2024 2023, or maybe the December 2023, so it can use some data from that static point of view and use it to break down all the things for me. So let's see if it can give me the list of the chapters of maths. And we are using Mistral here. Let's see by Llama 3.3 also. after this thing. Okay, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So as you can see, Mixtral is also useful. It has given me all the 15 chapters of class 9th NCRT. Okay, but it is not quite correct because ninth class does not have trigonometry in it. Let's see if Llama 3.3 can give me the correct answer. Okay, and we will copy the prompt here, and we will use. Okay, so let's see what Llama 3.3 7pb will give me. And if it is giving me class 10th syllabus, then it is not quite good. Okay, so it has given me class 9th syllabus only, number system, polygons, coordinate geometry, linear equation in two variables. That is actually quite class 9 syllabus, and it has not given me trigonometry, as you can see. So Llama 3.3 is quite useful, and most of the chapters are just class 9 syllabus. So we can give a system prompt here, and then we can use the user message. Okay, and let's see if it can give me in GPT-3, GPT-4. Okay, so we are just copying it here only, and let's see. And I will ask it, give me the syllabus for class 9th maths. Okay, so we will ask the syllabus of class 9th maths, and as of the as of the knowledge of October or December 2023, it will give me the curriculum of class 9th maths. Okay, and on the CBSE base. So let's see how it will go, and what things it will give me. So the unit 1 is number system, the unit 2 is algebra based. As you can see, it has also categorized on the unit base, and we can see here is the coordinate geometry and geometry and mensuration statistics. So it has not given me quite the right syllabus, but it has categorized and all of these places. And if you see in this prompt and in this thing, if we have to search the data and list in a better way, then Llama 3.3 is quite a good thing, and it wins here. Okay, but till now, you have the idea of how this model will work. Like if you want to do some advanced mathematics questions or reasoning, GPT-4 is quite good. But if you want to list and scrape some data from the web, if it has knowledge about it, then it can list it very in a quite good manner. And you can decide for yourself then that how you are going to use these models, because GPT-4 is quite costly, whereas Llama 3.1 and 3.3 are very good. Okay, so to calculate the distance traveled, use the formula distance is equals to speed into time. Here, speed is equals to 60 miles per hour, time is equals to 3 hours, and distance is 180 miles. Okay, let's see how Llama 3.3 will respond to it. Okay, we will just remove this system prompt from here, otherwise it will answer according to that. And it has also given me 180 miles in 3 hours. Let's see if Mistral goes right in it or not. And it should go right. Okay, and as you can see, it has gone quite right. Okay, and the best thing about Grok is you can see how much time and speed insights is there for getting a response, and what models is being used, what tokens are have you used, and how much tokens have you used. Okay, and what is the inference time, what is the latency of it. So that's about all this video. And as you have seen that Grok is providing us the Mixtral and the Gemma models and Llama models, and also the Whisper Large and Whisper V3 Turbo. Okay, so you can try all these models, and we have seen that Llama 3.3 is also quite good for some use cases, and GPT-4 is better in many cases, but in a lot of cases it fails. And you can use Llama 3.1 and 3.3 70 billion parameters, and also Llama 3.1 with 405 billion parameters. Okay, so these two models are quite good. You can use them as per your convenience and keep building things. That's all for this video. Thank you.